This is the question here, and the question it says simplify x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. So let's start solving. So you copy the question the way it is, which is this one. So you say x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. And before you answer this question, you have to understand the topic. What is this topic? This is under indices, and it's different of two squares. The first one, they've already done it for you, which is x minus 1 over. You do different of two squares here, which is x squared minus 1. How did I know this is different of two squares? Because of x squared. So you open x minus 1, you close. Again, you open x plus 1, close. Then this and this, if you see here, they are the same. You eliminate this one and this one. So x minus 1 into x minus 1, it's 1. Also there, x minus 1 into x minus 1, it's 1. So on top, you remain with what? 1 over. What has remained here? It's x plus 1. So that same 1 times x plus 1, you get x plus 1. You end here. We are now on question B. Question B says, the first three terms of a geometric progression are x plus 1, comma, x minus 3, and x minus 1. Find what? The value of what? X. How many marks? 3 marks. So once you have been given 3 terms, like the way they are, x plus 1, comma, x minus 3, and x minus 1. Now they are telling you to find the value of what? X. So the first thing you do, you write this like this, your data. You say x plus 1, comma, x minus 3, comma, x minus 1. And then you say term 1, term 2, term 3. So your formula, you formulate, you say term 2 over term 1, term 3 over term 2. This is what you do. So this is how you come up with the formula. You say term 1 over term 2 over term 1 equals term 3 over term 2. So you'll be using according to what you have written here. So term 2, it's what? X minus 3. Term 1, it's what? X plus 1 equals. What is my term 3? X minus 1. What is my term 2? X minus 3. Then you cross multiply like this. So this one will go with this one, and this one will go with this one. So this is what I've done. You put it in the brackets, open x minus 3, close x minus 3. So this one will go with this one, equals, open x plus 1, close, again, x minus 1, close, like that. So now, you do what we call, you expand and you simplify. So have you seen this x? You bring it outside, you multiply by this. This is what is here. This minus 3, it's this one. You multiply by the same, which is here. Equals. You get this x, you bring it outside, you multiply by this one, which is this one, plus 1, which is this one. Open, you multiply again by this one. So you say x times x, x squared, minus x times 3, 3x, minus 3 times x, 3x, negative times negative, positive, 3 times 3, 9, equals x times x, x squared, minus x times 1, it's x, you can't say 1x, plus 1 times x, it's x. Positive times negative, you get a negative. 1 times 1, it's 1. So now you group what we call the like terms. So here, to first you simplify it to make it easier. So x squared minus Negative 3x minus 3x, you get negative 6x plus what? 9 equals to what? X squared. This one, it was negative x plus x, it's 0. It's more like negative 1 plus 1. What do you get? You get a 0. So you remain with what? Negative 1. So already you have remained with this side. So this one, it will come this side. So x squared, this one, it was a positive. Once it crosses the equal sign, becomes a negative x squared minus what? 6x.